help you out, comrade. Safe call, you say find at auction in Wisconsin. I have license, yes, say North Mississippi. Very good price, very good skill. No more question, strong heater, by now, good promise.
Good promise.
Thank you,
Dude, this
Sean.
is so good. You pay, you get hot water. I help you out, come.
What the fuck's my drink?
Cock block.
Let me tell you something, mister, you're dealing with 240 pounds of pure determination and, wait for it, experience. Don't make my Macho Man and Stone Cold Steve Austin come out.
Okay.
I'm siding with Shadow. Got my money on Shadow.
I waited in today at 2:33.
Armageddon, can you send me whatever you want me to make on Discord?
And
like DM me, because fucker took over stream.
Straight up, pure determination.
I need a drink.
I will put my
Stubbornness.
Oh my
the
God.
word you're looking for
Chef.
is bitch
Chef.
ass stubbornness.
We are the same in this department, and I'm excited to throw it.
Nothing good will come of this. It'll just be the two of you.
We can do it. I understand. This is Mary Todd Armor Hacks. This is Mary Todd. Big Point Armor Gets. This is Mary Todd. Mr. Sprankles! Miss you, Malin. My fucking guy. What's good? Hell yeah. Armor Hacks. Literally down 20 standard drinks in 3 hours just yesterday and barely felt it.
Who?
Is this Armor Hacks or me? Because I also I got lit up yesterday.
I know.
Is he commenting on my Coke
No,
bottles?
I put those away. Wait, so am I just gonna get destroyed at Comic-Con? Is it just me with a bunch of D-gens getting destroyed? I mean, I feel like I could hold my own, but the way you guys are talking...
Mary Todd saying
it's gonna be a
still
rough
the
night.
Shadow would destroy everyone.
Yeah,
You're probably not wrong. Probably not wrong.
I feel like all of us...
This is wrong. I'm the slowest drinker in the world. I am not.
No, he's fast.
Armor Hacks, she might. She's definitely in the game. Yeah, dude. No. I respect fucking Shadow.
Is there gonna be a trophy at the end of all this?
I respect Shadow. Cock block.
We're still gonna call her
I'm
Shadow.
not taking this. I'm not taking it lightly. It's not a joke. I'm saying I'm looking forward to it.
Drinking competition. Sean, look, apparently this is what it is devolving into. We were just gonna hang out and bar hop, but apparently now it's a drinking competition.
Geek Boys sold mowers at Sears in the 90s. Nice.
What do I do? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hope Armageddon sends me something. If not,
Hold on. I got a question for you.
what's the other one we're making? Tentacles.
Geek Boy, I got a question. Do they make all-wheel fucking drive mowers?
Oh, is that a promise? Cause I'll come there and wreck you with a bunch of weight. I can't do brown liquors. Can we do white liquors or can we do whatever liquor as long as it's 80 proof?
Undecided. Can we just stick with bourbon? Also, can someone...
No, bourbon's...
Do we have a mod here? Oh, I can do it. Can you move us to just chatting? Let's just be honest here.
What?
Just move us... I'm trying to be accurate. So let's just move... No. You go to this one. And then you go to this one. And then you click X. Click it. Or that. And then go that. And then space. There you go. Alright. Let's call a spade a spade. Didn't have the highest expectations of tonight anyways, considering my body is in pain, but let's go.
Shadow. I'm gay. I'm not throwing out with tequila all night long.
No tequila. Kathy say no. Veto tequila.
Vodka, I'll dance.
Kumquat. Exclamation point. Kumquat.
Gin, I'm not a super big gin fan. Rum, white rum.
Oh, wait, I have the
I'll
recipe.
throw it down with fucking rum. So basically, tequila is not. If it's Cinco de Mayo, we're throwing down with fucking tequila. We're doing Mexican flags all day long.
Does anyone have the recipe Armageddon put in chat earlier? Because I have it on here, but I don't have it on here.
All out is what I'm saying, Shadow. Taking bets now. 1 Shadow, 2 Malin, 3 Armageddon. Ooh, Arma Hacks getting slated at the bottom. Mary Todd
On
betting
Discord, thank
Shadow
you.
over me. That's a bold statement.
Who? Shadow versus Armageddon versus Malin?
We'll see.
I'll be the cheerleader, but
We'll see how that strategy pays off, Cotton.
This is not going to end well for anyone, but
Money
I
back.
have my money on Shadow.
My
still.
grandpa had a half acre that he mowed with a push mower and would never consider a gas mower. Old man with his shirt off made my dad look silly. Seriously, chiseled.
You asshole, Armageddon! He's
Honey Badger.
trash talking me on Discord.
Mad respect.
Fucker. Love you.
How many beers can you 3 do? Mary Todd, the answer should be basically